Hi there, students. Proven. Proven. So, this is the adjective of prove. Your case is proven. It's a proven fact. This is from the verb to prove, or proof. And this is the adjective. Now, proven can also be the past participle of the verb to prove. However, normally we use the word proved as the past participle. In the United States, they often use proven as the past participle of the verb. So the case has been proven. You say, I would say the case has been proved. And I think you're better to use proven as an adjective and proved as the past participle of the verb. So the case has been proved. This is a proven fact. Okay, so proven is something that has been demonstrated without a doubt. He is a leader of proven ability. Yeah, tried and tested. This is a proven method of making mayonnaise. There is a proven link between smoking and lung cancer. There's a proven link between methane being released and global warming. It's a proven fact. The case was found not proven. They like this word particularly proven in legal English. Okay, so proven. Something that has been shown to be true. You've got a proven record, which gives you a big advantage to get the job. In the UK, you are innocent until proven guilty. Well, that depends if the press are talking about you, though. So, proven. It's something that has been proved as an adjective. Proven reserves. The proven reserves of oil and gas that are available for future use. So, proven. Demonstrated to be true. Demonstrated by argument. He has a proven system that is tried and tested and has worked in many different situations. He has a proven track record. It's proven and tested. Yeah, this is something that is proven to be a risk to health. This is a proven method for getting rid of hiccups. Hiccups. A proven ability to manage other workers. A vehicle with proven reliability. Learning a new language is a proven method to look after your mind. So, proven, having been verified without doubt, having been proved, established beyond any doubt, tested and shown to be true. Something has a proven track record. Its past performance shows good reliability. A proven effectiveness, a proven fact, a proven formula, a proven link between two things, a proven method. Okay, so proven. It could be a verb, but you're much better off just using it as an adjective, and proved as the past participle. Okay, so proven, tried and tested, a proven method, demonstrated, confirmed, verified, substantiated, established. She is a woman of proven abilities. These claims are dubious and have not and are not scientifically proven. The proposals have no proven scientific basis. Okay, so this comes from the verb to prove, from Latin probo, to test, to be good, to be worthy. So, proven. Oh, formality. Proven. I think I'm going to give this a 5.5, maybe a 6 in formality, but use everywhere, use anywhere. So, proven.